Hello students, today we are going to learn on the topic that is center of gravity. So what do you mean by center of gravity? It is the point through which the whole weight of the body acts irrespective of its position is known as center of gravity. Okay, so suppose if this is a rectangle, okay, so this is the center point, so this is point is known as your center of gravity and its coordinates are what? If this is B and this is D, so here if this is in y-axis and x-axis, so what is your x coordinate? That is nothing but b by 2. Similarly, what is your y coordinate? That is nothing but d by 2. Okay, next, what is a centroid? The plane figures which have only area but no mass. Okay, the center of area of such figure is known as your centroid. Okay, and the method of finding out the centroid of a figure is same as that finding out the center of gravity of a body. So such figures, the center of gravity coincides with the centroid of the figures which are having only area but no mass. Okay, next, the center of gravity can be found out by three methods. So what are the three methods? Geometrical consideration, by moments, and by graphical consideration method. Okay, next, center of gravity by moments. So you have to find out the center of gravity by moment. Okay, for this, center of gravity by moments, this is the lamina, this is x-axis, this is y-axis. So m1, m2, m3 etc are the masses of particle. So m1, m2, m3 are the masses of particle, x1 y1 coordinate, x2 y2 coordinate, x3 y3 coordinate. Okay, of the center of gravity from point O. Next, from the principle of moments, we know that total moment is equal to what? m1 x1 plus m2 x2 plus m3 x3. Okay, so what we get? So what is your x bar? X bar is nothing but summation of mx divided by capital M. Similarly, y bar is what? Summation of my divided by capital M. Okay, where capital M is equal to what? m1 plus m2 plus m3. Okay, so here you can see x bar is equal to summation of mx by capital M. Similarly, summation of y bar is equal to summation of my divided by capital M. So capital M is equal to m1 m2 plus m3. Okay, so this is finding out the center of gravity by your process, that is your by moments. Okay, next, center of gravity of plane figures. Okay, so let x bar and y bar be the coordinates of CG with respect to some axis of reference. Okay, so what is x bar? X bar is nothing but a1 x1 plus a2 x2 plus a3 x3 plus, how many there are figures, a2 plus a3. Okay, So this is the formula for x bar, where what a1, a2, a3 are the a1, a2, a3 are the areas into which the whole figure is divided. Okay, next what is x1, x2? x1, x2 and x3 etc are the respective coordinates of the area a1, a2, a3. Okay, so a1, a2, a3 are the area of into which whole figure is divided. Okay, similarly x1, x2, x3 are the respective coordinates, okay, of area, that is a1 comma a2 comma a3 with respect to same axis of reference. Okay, similarly what is your y bar? Y bar is nothing but your a1 y1 plus a2 y2 plus a3 y3 divided by your a1 plus a2 plus a3 dot, dot, dot. Okay, how many figures area the figure is divided. Okay, so this is the formula for your center of gravity. So these are the formulas for geometrical figures, that is for your rectangular section, triangular. Okay, next this is the circle, semicircle, trapezium. So all the formula you have to get it by heart. Okay, so next you will solve the problem for how to find out the center of gravity. So in this problem you have to find out the center of gravity of this T section. Okay, and this is a symmetrical figure, so it is symmetrical about y axis. Okay, so only we will be finding out y bar, as it the center of gravity lies in y axis. So let us divide it into two parts, that is section 1 and this one is section 2. And once again the system is in origin. So next, first we have to find out for section 1 what is a1 and what is y1. So what is a1? A1 is nothing but this is area of this figure, so this is 150 into your this total is 150. Okay, so this distance is 120, so this is 120 into how much? This is your 30, so 120 into 30. Next, y distance. So this is the triangle, so for a rectangle y coordinate is what? Y half, so 120 by 2, that is your 60 mm, and this one is your 3600 mm square. Okay, similarly for section 2. Okay, so section 2, a2 is how much? 100 into 30, that is equal to your 3000 mm square. Similarly, what is y2? Since we are going from in upward direction from the base to this, so we cannot neglect this distance. Okay, so if this is your 30 by half, that is 30 by 2, we cannot, as it is the base, so we cannot neglect this distance. This one is 120 plus 30 by 2, so 120 plus 30 by 2. Okay, so this becomes how much? So this becomes 135 mm. So what is your y bar? Y bar is nothing but a1 y1 plus a2 y2 divided by a1 plus a2. So this one, put the formula, 3600 plus your a2 is 3000, okay, into a1 3600 into your y1, that is 60, plus 3000 into 135. Okay, so finally we get the answer 94.1 mm. Okay, this is how we will find out the center of gravity for symmetrical figures. Okay, center of gravity is lying at this much distance.